In this video, we'll be taking you on a tour of Zoetry Casa del Mar Los Cabos, which has been recognized by AAA with a 4-diamond rating since 2008. This beautiful 5-star all-inclusive boutique hotel is situated along the tourist corridor overlooking the blue waters of the Sea of Cortez. It has been recently renovated and is inspired by Spanish colonial hacienda architecture with adobe walls, red tile roofs, sun-kissed colors, and romantic arches surrounding the beautiful courtyards. It features 57 luxurious rooms and suites, 4 pools, 2 gourmet restaurants and bars, a full-service spa, a fitness center, and unique outdoor spaces to host your special events. We are at the Zoetry in Cabo San Lucas, and let's take a look at our 1-bedroom oceanfront suite, room 1401. So as soon as you enter, here is the living room area with a couch and another chair. So it's a decent space. And there's some mirrors right there, a big screen TV. And the best part of this living room is once you walk out, you have this oceanfront balcony with 2 chairs, a small table, and an umbrella. Let's take a look at our view. Look at this spectacular view. And they said you can see whales from here, so we'll take a look at that during our stay. And let's make our way back in to check out the bedroom. So here is the bedroom with a king-size bed. And a little lounge chair right here with a complimentary Zoetry bag for us to take home. And here is a big screen TV. And they gave us 3 bottles of wine. I mean, it's an all-inclusive resort, so that comes with it. Some snacks. And this is a gift from the resort. A small bottle of mezcal. And in this storage right here, there's a wine cooler, but we took out the wine just so we can show it on the video. So we put that on the table right there already. And here's another sitting area. 2 chairs, a table, and check out the view again. Look how spectacular that is. And there's the balcony, which you can also reach from the sliding door in the bedroom. Now let's make our way to the bathroom. Here's the coffee area, a little wet bar. So these are some Nespresso pods, I believe. That's a little ice bucket, some more glasses. And it's an all-inclusive, so they'll refill this multiple times a day if you want to. There's some water, soft drinks, some liquor, beer, juices in there, so that's pretty cool. And here is the soaking tub with some incense and a match right there. Now let's check out the storage closet. So this side is kind of weird because when you open it, you're like, what the heck? There's like no space in there. But if you open the other side, this is where the actual space is to store your stuff. And the other side is more spacious, so you can put all your stuff in here. There's a safe to store all your valuables. There's an umbrella. and a couple of slippers. And here's the double sink vanity with some bottles of water. They suggested that we use those because we're not local, so use those when you're brushing your teeth. There's a large mirror and the shower. Look how cool that tile is. And here is the toilet. And that is a quick tour of our 1-bedroom oceanfront suite here at Zoetry in Cabo San Lucas. On our first night, there was a fiesta for dinner, which featured traditional Mexican dishes and live entertainment. The pastor tacos was the best item on the menu. I also tried this tamale along with some chicken and pork dishes, which were just okay. Overall, it was a nice start to our weekend getaway. The 2 restaurants on site changed their menus every 2 days. El Arroyo serves gourmet Mexican cuisine in the hacienda-style setting or on the ocean view terrace. We had breakfast here twice, and our favorites were the chilaquiles with steak along with the quesabirria tacos. These chocolate chip pancakes were just okay. Make sure to try out the variety of freshly made drinks, which were a combination of interesting flavors such as tamarind with mint, honey, and rosemary, hibiscus with strawberry, honey, and lime, and the green juice. We only had dinner once at El Arroyo. We started off with its beautifully plated and tasty sea scallops aguachile. This grilled steak volcano was pretty good, and you can't go wrong with these bacon-wrapped shrimps. Our favorite restaurant was Saltwater, which serves delicious seafood dishes with stunning views of the Sea of Cortez. It's a fantastic place to dine while whale watching, and the whales put in a show for us. For breakfast, we started off with this beautifully presented fruit platter along with a Todos Santos juice, which was made with pineapple, coconut milk, and honey. For our entrees, we both ordered this delicious chilaquiles de birria. Look how amazing that looks. We stopped by for lunch and we were treated to the spectacular sight of a whale right in front of me. Both the mahi-mahi and Peruvian-style fish ceviches were both delicious. We also had the pastor, shrimp, and smoked brisket tacos, which were all delicious as well. The tuna with assorted peppercorns crust was properly seared with good flavor. This grilled octopus was perfectly cooked, but it had a weird barbecue sauce on it, which didn't pair well with the octopus. Sea bass was the catch of the day, and it was flaky and well seasoned. For dessert, we had chocolate mousse and cheesecake, which both came with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. The cheesecake had a weird texture, and it didn't taste like cheesecake at all. We had dinner at Saltwater 3 times, and it felt like we were having a private dinner each time since the restaurant was always empty. The grilled octopus was perfectly cooked and tasted much better than the one we had for lunch. I'll always order steak if it's on the menu, and this was tender and tasty. The menu changed to Japanese-inspired dishes on our second night. We ordered this yummy tuna in kampachi sashimi, spicy tuna roll, and coconut shrimp, which was our favorite item for dinner. This shrimp yakisoba had a strange sweet and sour sauce, which I did not like. It's finally time for dessert. This tempura ice cream was amazing, while the coffee-flavored flan was a bit disappointing. Guests can also order in-room dining from the tablet inside their room. However, we did not get room service since we wanted to enjoy dining at the restaurants. Kick back and relax at the indoor Maguey Bar, which has a lounging area with flat-screen TVs, several tables around the bar, and a peaceful ocean view terrace. We spent a couple of hours relaxing at the main pool on our second day. There was plenty of seating and we didn't have any issues getting a couple of chairs with an umbrella. The pool is split into 2 levels with a small kiddie pool in the middle and a hot tub on the side. Reflections is the swim-up bar where you can order drinks and snacks while enjoying the infinity pool. We ordered a variety of drinks, ceviches, along with shrimp tacos while lounging at the pool and enjoying the warm Cabo weather. If you're looking for a more peaceful setting, head over to the quiet zone located just beyond the main pool. It's a great spot to relax while enjoying views of the Sea of Cortez and maybe see some whales over the horizon. Let's take a look at the other 3 pools on the property. One is located in between the hotel buildings, while the other 2 are located at the vacation club rooms, which can be reached by walking down this pathway. I noticed there were also pickleball and tennis courts by the vacation club rooms. Don't worry, those are also available by the hotel rooms in addition to a basketball hoop. The beach in front of Zoetry has crystal clear waters and beautiful white sand. Unfortunately, it's not swimmable due to the strong waves and currents. However, the hotel provides several seating options along the beach. These palapas are available on a first-come, first-served basis, and daybeds are also available for a fee. We booked a 50-minute Swedish massage at Zoetry Spa, which has 4 luxury cabins for singles and couples, as well as a hydrotherapy circuit with a hot tub, steam room, and sauna. The massage was good, and we felt that the cost of $100 per person was worth it. The fitness center features new techno gym equipment as well as free weights. It's a small space, but has adequate equipment to get in a good workout while on vacation. We enjoyed our stay at Zoetry Casa del Mar. With only 57 rooms, the resort did not feel crowded, and we did not have to wait in line for anything. The service was good, the hotel grounds are well maintained, and most of the food was great. If you're a couple looking for some quiet relaxation away from the crowds, Zoetry Casa del Mar definitely fits the bill. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at DevandRyan so you can follow our adventures and weekly uploads.